You guys went with the round wheel wells? Somebody figured out that wheels are actually round at the factory. Is this the hot rod version?
It's the RT, the Rally Sport.
This is the Chevy Silverado RST package. I couldn't resist roasting the Chevy guy about his wheel wells, but RST means Rally Sport Trim, I think. You get those cool stickers. Everybody knows stickers add 50 horsepower each, so there's a bunch of stickers on here, so probably good for 200 horsepower worth of stickers. There's stickers on the back of the bed, and there is your RST sticker to let everybody know you are an RST type of guy. Quick look around the bed shows that it's pretty basic. There's lights and there's one power adapter. You don't get that cool tailgate that they're showing in all the commercials unless you pay extra for it. It's got the spray-in bed liner. The cool thing about the bed on this year's model of truck is that you can get the 6.5 foot bed. This is the short bed, but you can get the 6.5 foot bed and still get the full-size crew cab. Here's a look inside the crew cab. This one's got buckets, but there is a bench if you want to haul 6 people. You can get a bench in the front. There's plenty of room in the back. And now let's see what this sucker costs. Come on, get in there, old man. The old man climbing. Oh, he's not even going to climb in the truck. He's too old. All right, there's all of your stuff. Bottom line is $59,710. Not bad considering we're in an era of hyperinflation. Loaf of bread is probably going to cost that much in a couple of years, so you might as well get a Chevy truck. Here's a nice look at it from outside. Let's look at those round wheel wells. And let's look at the custom rims that come with it. It's just a beautiful package. I think it's somewhere between $3,000 and $4,000 extra to get the RST trim. And in the engine bay, you get your choice of engines. There's a 2.7 liter gas turbo engine, a 3 liter turbo diesel, and a 5.3 or a 6.2 liter V8 are your options for this truck. So there you go. I think Chevy really got it right with the styling of their new Silverados, and this RST package just makes it look even more cool and badass with stripes for people who like stripes. So all in all, I'd say they did a great job. I am a big fan of the new Chevy pickup truck, and thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.